Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to save numbers in variables in Excel. We have here in different cells letters to represent the variables and here numbers for each one. How to save? Let's click in the first one. Let's go to Formulas, then define name. Automatically it's going to take this name, M, for example. If you want, you can write another, but the best option is to put in that cell one of them. Let's go to the next. Formulas again, define name, the same. Repeat the same for all. Again, and the last one. Right. I'm going to add another without name. The same, and I can add, for example, BR. Okay, the last one is empty. Let's put 50. Remember the name, you can write it here, BR, right? I'm going to show you what happened if I put the letter M. What happened? 4. Yeah. I need to make this operation. M times P. So M multiplied by P. Now we have O divided by N. And here another expression a little bit complex. This is exp open O divided by M close brackets multiplied by 2 and by M. Now be careful when you are going to add with a number, for example B or C5. If you write just C5, you're going to select C5, this cell. In that case, to avoid that, when you're going to add your new name, the name is like this, C5 with underscore. So I'm going to write 15. Let's write it. Underscore C5 is here. Let's see what happened just with C5. Yeah, this is not correct. So how can I rename one of them? If you want to rename here, for example, H instead M, it's not possible if you change here. It won't change. Look at this. So what do we have to do? Is to go to Formulas, Name Manager. Here we can delete or add another, or just change. Here, edit, H. Okay. If you want now, you can write here. And you can continue. But you have to change the name here. Here no, because it is inside in the formula. This doesn't belong to the formula, but if you want, you can change where was written M. Yeah, we have finished. Please follow my channel. See you next time.